Hello and welcome. Tonight join me and Steve as we head out to investigate a 16th century pub called the Blacksmith Arms. Known to other paranormal groups as a haunted pub with claims of footsteps and knocks on command, shadow figures seen around the bar and apparent poltergeist activity with glasses and other objects thrown by an unknown force. History on this location goes as far back as Charles I. In the years of 1628, the property at the time was described as a farm dwelling with stables. In the 1860s, the Rolfs, the owners at the time, had 15 children, one of whom was born at the inn, and his name was Harry. He went on to become famous as the legendary music hall star Little Titch. So with these paranormal claims and a little history on the site, it's time to find out if the Blacksmith Arms is haunted. We're going to check the place out to make sure there's no one in the building. Right, let's just start from upstairs.
I'll start from upstairs.
Just start upstairs, yeah?
Yeah.
There's no one. Hello? To make sure these stairs.
Make sure no one's behind me. Coming up these stairs.
We've got to be careful of light pollution. Try not to tread too close together though, just in case the floor is a bit weak.
Okay.
It's a bit slopey here.
That'll be so.
You're right.
From the 1600s.
Look how low down these ceilings are.
All the way. I think it's 17, 1800s. And then became a family oriented pub called the Blacksmith Arms. We do believe in paranormal. All of it is council.
This is a very small room and it feels really dodgy. Oh. Ooh. Sorry, the floor's a bit. Oh man. The floor feels like it's just going to fall in. So what is this up here? Sorry. The floor's very Hello? If no one's here, can you make a noise? Could you move something? This is going to be stable enough to walk on. What's in there? Attic. But I don't know if it's safe enough to walk through. This floor feels like it's a bit.
What's that here?
An attic as well.
No, it's outside, that is.
One thing I like about this camera, it blurs really easily. But yeah, that speaks. It looks freaky in there. No one's going to be down there, are there?
No. You would have had done while I was outside anyway if they would.
Yeah.
with an hunchback. It's a tiny room, innit?
Yeah.
Let's just stand there and call out. Let's see if we... So is anyone with us tonight? Can you please make a noise? Did you hear that? Someone down there. It sounded like it. You hearing it?
We ain't discovered all downstairs.
No. Right. That could also be us unsettling the stairs and that.
Yeah. That's really nice.
We checked down there, didn't we? It's on the stairs, cupboard.
This would be the entrance.
That's the noise it sounded like upstairs. Didn't it? Did you hear that noise? Is anyone here with us? Make a knock.
Yeah, what they've done to put this down to, you know, see if anyone walks across it when filming, probably,
Yeah.
you know, over Paranormal. Probably. Now I can see where it could become a bar.
Anyone's here? Could you make a knock, please?
Did you hear that?
What was it?
Over there. Rustling.
Let's check the room.
It's over there.
Oh, it's over there. Let's check that out first. Watch out for your feet because there's broken glass everywhere. There's not a very nice spirit in here. Is that true? Okay, so. Yes. Huh? So that noise was coming from here. Dripping water. Is anyone here? Can you say something or move something? Really, that's what you like to do. That's locked. If you can see that, oh, it's camera's bad, but there's a huge cobweb from ceiling to floor. What's up? What's up?
No, it's alright.
What's up?
Just, I went into there, but not deep in. But it just seemed a bit.
You know, if you can jump there. Check the cobwebs out down there.
What?
Cobwebs, like from
I've seen
floor
it.
to ceiling.
What down there?
Yeah, it's like some horror movie stuff. Stay. Look at this. 'cause it weren't.
Hello?
Oh, let's check these rooms.
No, let's check. Wait, okay, in case I think on all the
Watch out about glass.
Oh, there's an attic here.
I must go into that attic space as well then. To the one where we was up top floor.
Is there anyone up there? Is there anyone up there? Like to communicate? Were you asleep in?
I just can't figure out what that noise was. I was hearing what sounded like not just that paper stuff.
Excuse me.
Right. Let's go to the rooms and we've done the walkthrough. And then we know no one's here. And then I've got to turn my phone on silent. Airplane.
That's all right. Let's carry on. Let's go and check this out.
Yes.
So let's keep it on.
No. This room's clear. That's freaking at the tight ass corners. Let's go to the next room. Don't know how the door slammed up.
There's a sound up.
Oh, ladies, I guess it's the same. Oh man. Shadows and that scary. Yeah, there's loads of mirrors, broken mirrors and stuff. Let's say it's empty.
What's that? Fire exit.
I don't know what it is. Oh, this door shut.
There's a main road.
Yeah.
Outside, so
It smells like dogs in here.
does it?
Yeah. Really strong. You know, like wet dog. This is where the
Oh, that's the bar again.
this is where the
Put no back to that. Jeez.
well the kegs and that are where they brought the beer in.
Excuse my language. It's alright, let's just move this place. Investigation altogether. So I'm still get used to this. I do believe it though.
Beer line cleaners. Chemicals and that.
A believer.
Right, so that's the walkthrough done, ain't it? We've done the walkthrough.
Yeah, is that the end?
Let's cut it and then we'll set up some kit.
Yeah.
Right, we're settled, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're now going to be doing a call out. See if any spirits want to communicate. Do you want to start off with the call out?
Is there anybody here? Make noise.
If you can hear our voice, can you please knock on something? Make it a clear indication that you're with us.
If you're at the bar, would you like to pour a drink? Out of a rum? No ice?
We've been told, oh, we haven't been told, but it's mentioned that this place has a poltergeist. If that's true, could you show us what you are capable of doing? Do you have any powers? Any energy? Can you move things? Did you hear that? That sound like it's in there. If that was you, could you come closer? Let us hear you speak. Could you knock on the bar? Did you hear that? That was down there.
Yeah, some movement down the other end of the bar. Hello, is anyone there? Would you like to come forward? Communicate? Make a noise? Throw something? Knock a door? I have to say there is a street outside.
Yeah.
The car's going by.
That sounded weird. It's right. I thought I heard it in the corridor.
I heard something from over the far side to my left.
Oh, I just seen, could be dust, but I seen something. So right over there is an EM pump.
I'm I say there's been other paranormal teams investigated this place and say there's plenty of activity. There's a poltergeist. Is that true? Would you like to know? Make yourself known.
I can hear steps upstairs.
I thought that. Somewhere over here.
Yeah.
Up this side over there. Side of the building.
If that's you upstairs, could you knock some more?
Or are you just happy souls that love coming to this place when it was a bar, serving drinks and food? Or was you one of the family owners that used to work and live in this place when it was a farm home?
I'm hearing steps upstairs.
I'm going to slip my bag off my back.
I can hear what sounds like someone's pacing.
Yeah, so I've got rustle going on in the bottom of my back.
Well, I've seen something there, you know. I don't know what. Yeah, it's weird. What's going on? I thought I seen something go across the bar. Pretty sure I got it on camera, and then I seen like load of little writing on them. It could be dust. But I thought I'd look back on that. It's a bit unusual. Could it have been reflection? Have you got wood near you?
Wood?
Yeah. You can hear us. Please knock and copy the same rhythm.
Might be shy, keeping quiet for a bit.
Oh.
They're probably tired of see people coming in, calling out for them.
It's the first shy poltergeist I've heard of.
Yeah.
Maybe it just needs waking up.
Spin your camera around again.
This way, yeah?
Oh, it was just a minute ago.
Yeah, it was on me.
Yeah, then spin it. You got it went to.
Oh, so you've seen something?
Yeah, it's possible. It's just a little spectrum, but it could have been your light.
Yeah, there's a lot of dust in there. I'm sure of it, because I've seen a few things.
Oh, I'd say the bar would be the most active place.
Yeah. Go and charge it with that thing if you want.
I thought it was on charge.
You need to hold the trigger to pump the charge out.
You
Yeah.
gotta keep it pulsating, yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go and do that now. This is the ozone generator.
you can use the energy, throw that glass off the side. So that creates an ozone. Creates an ozone that puts a charge in the air. So spirits should be able to use this. Was that you?
Is that one of your devices out down there?
Yeah, that's an EM pump near the door. Both of these together should help to charge the air. So what else will help? Steve?
Yeah.
Just put your tongue on the end of it.
I can feel that, like, you know, running through my ears.
You'll start to smell it as well. Just be careful because it is dangerous. Ozone damages your lungs and your sinuses.
It feels like my ears want to pop.
That's enough for that. I'll leave that. So that's just experimental anyway. Just like all the kit we use, it's all experimental. There's no proof on any of the kit working. It's all experimental to see if we can catch the evidence. There we go. That's beautiful. I'll turn that one off. So if anyone's here now, come forward. Make a noise. That was me. That was my stomach. The ozone went through there. Right, I'm going to be using the PSP7 original ghost box.
What does that do? Draw in ghosts or communicate?
It allows them to communicate at their own will. So because we've not had much success on the call out, we're going to try and communicate. That's making me freak out. We're going to try and communicate through the ghost box. Let's give it a go.
There we go. Let's see if
Quite loud enough, yeah?
draw them in.
Is there anyone here with us?
Turn that up a little touch. It sounds like it said J-Rat.
Who wants to talk with us? It's meant to be a poltergeist here. Walk about. Nice. Is there a poltergeist in this pub?
Come close and say hello. My name's Steve. This is J-Rat. We've heard this is currently loaded for Paranormal. And we're basically come here to see if we can confirm that.
So far, we've not had much. We've had a few footsteps though, a few weird sounds. So we want to know if you really are here and you are as strong as they say you are. Are you a poltergeist?
Or maybe you came here to drink and socialise and have fun.
Was that a spirit? Are you near the bar? So far, not much has come through. Let me just knock this down a peg, because I don't think it's near as that for the mics. Should we just walk on the back, out the back? You okay, yeah?
Alright.
Scabbardate, you don't want to pierce your shirt. Are you around this area? You're upstairs, let us know through this. Well, you're out here in the private rooms. Speak to us. Are you afraid of us? Oh, I'm sure that's everyone in there anyway. Is there someone here with us? We don't want to go too close to it for too long, we get headaches now. Are you in this room? That's the thing about being tall, all these spider webs. I think we should walk upstairs with these. What's that?
There you go.
Oh, were you listening? I literally thought.
Yeah, I just looked into the camera.
Can you say one of our names quickly?
So small, it's really. Was that a car? That was a car, wasn't it? It's alright, because I heard like proper rumble and stuff.
I thought I fell through the floor. Was that you?
I moved there because I moved quick when I heard rumble, but it was the car by, you know, within the static.
You made me jump, didn't you?
Made myself jump.
Right. Because of that, I squeezed the bloody ghost box, turned it off. That's how it does it when you turn it off. When you turn it on,
That tinkles the heart, I tell you.
right. Is anyone upstairs? What are you doing? Torch. I'm coming up fast.
You're coming upstairs. Put some clothes on.
Is anyone up here? I'm Jamie, this is Steve.
Is everybody here?
I'm going out of the room, so I felt like something potentially was in it, you know. Hello? Mosquitoes everywhere. Is anyone connected to this house? Or this whole farmhouse pub? Let me go to this after with this ghost box. Right. Let me just go. You in here? Speak to me. You're meant to be this big scary poltergeist. Are you in here? Yes or no? I thought I heard something. So far, I'm not hearing. Yeah. You're in this room, tripping over everything. Talk to us. Let us know what you'd like to do to Steve. Are you a cat? Oh, never. Did you hear that? No. Say that again, please. I hope I got that recorded, so I'm speaking at the same time. Someone here with us? Are you fearful of us?
Well, you better say me.
You ready to say it?
Did you hear that? That banging? Alright. Alright, let's Ghostbusters off so now we can hear. Hopefully that stirred something up. Now I'm shaking. Not through fear.
Very cold.
Yeah, it's flipping freezing up here.
Yeah, I say I'll build some smoke, it's that cold.
If anyone's up here with us, could you say something? We would like to hear your voice. And we was pretty sure we heard you walking when we was downstairs. Could you do that again?
Can you hear that? There's constant tapping and walking.
That could be me, because the floor's all soft there. But I can hear something. I think. Do you feel like there's something up here? It feels like I think something in them two rooms. That's particularly the small room.
I don't know, I had the vibes when I first walked in the place, but it feels really cold. But it just seems like it's just gone quiet.
Yeah, that's normally calm before the storm though, there, isn't it? Right. If you're in one of these rooms, could you knock, please? Similar to what I'm about to do. If you're downstairs, could you knock?
Bang on one of the doors.
That's what poltergeists like to do. Or throw something. We're up here, so if you do it downstairs. Or are you not a poltergeist?
Yeah.
Maybe you're just a spirit that used to live here. Someone that used to live here. Family member. Let me shut that down.
Yeah.
Everyone's down here. Please make as much noise as possible. No, it's just strange sounds, ain't it? Oh, it feels warm now. Do you feel the warmth when you walk around that corner?
Yeah, it's not right, you know what that is?
What?
Not that parts.
You think? Bit of the energy up in that?
Yeah.
Right, let's get some more kit out and we'll have another plan of attack.
Probably cutting this off, getting some glasses out and stuff, and see if we can trigger anything.
Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah.
Or just totally ignore them and we'll just do our own thing.
Yeah. Right, let's crack that. I'm ready to go.